Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn one new software, that is GIMP. As I already informed you that this is the image manipulation program or graph GNU image manipulation program, which is used for editing of the image, or which is used to make your image more attractive. So how it's work? First, I already shared the steps with you, how to download it and how to install it. Now I'm going to open it. You can go to your search box, search for it, and here is the icon, so I click on that. In your book they have GIMP 2.08. This is GIMP 2.10. So let's get familiar with it. First of all, this is your title bar, contain three buttons of for minimize, maximize and close. The next one is your menu bar, contain different options, like we have file menu containing the different options, and other menus are there, and these all are the different tools. We can say it as a toolbox, which is used for performing different tasks. These are your different tools option. Suppose I choose one particular tool related to that. Now see here, I choose the text tool. Related to text tool, I have different options related to text tool, like font style, size, alignment and all will display in this toolbox. So here I choose some other one. See, the options are changing with this. And then this side we have your panels, and also the different options related to your different tools and all. So let's start. First we'll start with a simple painting or drawing in this, as we know that this can be used for the simple drawing purpose as well. So first I started with file and choose option new, and here I give the size for my image window, how much size you required. You can change it over here. You can specify width and height, how much width or how much height you want it for your screen. You can specify here. Suppose I want to go with this only, so I just keep it like that and click on OK. So now this is your drawing window having the width and height that I have set for it. And now suppose I want to start with a simple paint software, paint tools. How you can do it? Here we have some tools. If you want more, then you can go here to the tools and you can go to paint tools and you can choose anyone. Suppose I'll start with my paintbrush. So here if I choose paintbrush, this different styles of the paintbrushes here, like I can choose this one. You can see that it change. So like this you can do the brushing for it. And suppose here I choose some other texture, other style, maybe it show this one to me. So this is how you can choose your different tools for your painting and draw it on the screen. So this is how you can perform it with your paint tools. Here we have more tools from the paint. To make a beautiful drawing. And also after the painting tool we have selection tool as well. If you want to select a part, rectangle effect, this is used to select this portion and you can move it here and there according to it, and you can resize it by using selection tool. And the other tools are also available, like transform tools are there for the alignment, for to crop and all. So this is all about your GIMP window or the introduction for the software. Next, there are different tools are also there and how you can work with this software, that we'll discuss in the next lesson. So till now what you had to do is that those who have not downloaded the software, download it, install it and start it. Just try with the simple tools of paint. Go to your tools, here is the option paint tools, try all these tools and the uses of all this. Like, they are very simple. We have already used many of them in your MS Paint or any other painting software as well, so you can easily try this. So your work for today is that: download it, install it, open your first image, and then try all the paint tools in your GIMP. So this is all about for the introduction part of GIMP. Thank you.